Malema might be right on farm murder protests, says Mbalula. The police minister admits police have lowered the guard on the farm murder protests. EFF leader Julius Malema has taken to social media to complain about the difference in treatment by police in the farm murder protests as compared to protests by Black African youth. In a tweet that has received a lot of comments and retweets, Malema said protesters were illegally blocking roads, but police were not shooting rubber bullets at them. However, if it were African youth blocking the roads, the treatment by police would have been different. Among those who commented was Police Minister Mbalula, who said Malema's observation might be right, as police had lowered the guard. Lawlessness from any quarter is unacceptable and should be condemned. In this instance you might be right, police lowered the guard, he said. The EFF leader went on to inquire about the whereabouts of the Umkhonto's military veterans associations, Mkmva, soldiers, saying he needed them. He, however, called them drunkards. His comments divided social media, with some saying police had to treat all protesters the same way, while some said his observation was wrong, saying the protesters did not loot or burn any buildings. Oh, and they are not burning stuff. That surely helps. Great tip for future mass action, said one who was in support of the protests, while another wrote, when taxi and truck drivers were arrested last week for blocking the highway, did you see anything burned? Jeeprit cop. The rest complained that the road blockage prevented most from reaching their destinations. Some matriculants couldn't make it to their riding stations, CIC, because of this racist protest. This is totally unacceptable, said one of his followers.